Welcome to British Biomedicine Institute. Today we will explore the fundamentals of X-ray production in radiodiagnosis. The production of X-rays involves the bombardment of a thick target with energetic electrons. Electrons undergo a complex sequence of collisions and scattering processes during the slowing down process, which results in the production of Bremsstrahlung and characteristic radiation. Bremsstrahlung is produced most effectively when small charged particles interact with large atoms, such as when electrons hit a tungsten anode. The energy of the emitted photon is subtracted from the kinetic energy of the electron. The major components of the modern X-ray tube are cathode, electron source, anode, acceleration potential, rotor, stator, target device, glass, metal envelope, vacuum tube. The X-ray tube provides an environment for X-ray production via Bremsstrahlung and characteristic radiation mechanisms. In X-ray diagnostic radiology, the image is generated by the interaction of X-ray photons, which have transmitted the patient, with a photon detector. An X-ray beam consists of a spectrum of photon energies, and the rate at which energy is delivered by a beam is determined by the number of photons of each energy. The radiographic image of the X-ray exposure is determined by the interaction of the X-rays which are transmitted through the patient with a photon detector, film, camera, etc. A filter, such as a few millimeters of aluminum or copper, may be used to harden the beam by absorbing most of the low-energy photons. The remaining photons are more penetrating and are more useful for radiography. To reduce the number of secondary scattered photons, a lead grid is typically between object and image receptor. Because scattered photons will not meet the grid at normal incidence, they will be absorbed by the grid stripes. Even if the imaging system may have high contrast, the noise level may prevent identification of the object. Thank you for showing interest in British Biomedicine Institute's Guild Nano degree program. Hope you have gained a lot of information through this presentation.